Mr. Patnaik, hello, good morning, Jack. Is my car ready? Jack, good morning, sir. Wait a bit, please. It does. 61. Answer. C. Had been repaired is right answer. 62. Our headmaster has asked us why. Question mark. 62. Answer. Are we late? Next. 63. Before I have breakfast, I dash half an hour doing physical exercise. 63. Answer. A. Have spent is right answer. 64. I was shocked dash your attitude. 64. Answer. B. On is right answer. 65. She jumped off the bus while it dash. Answer. C. Had moved is right answer. 66. He fought dash to keep his job. 66. B. Tooth and nail is right answer. Next. 67. He was made dash his remarks. 67. Answer. B. Withdraw is right answer. 68. Which sentence is grammatically acceptable? Answer. D. It is easy, isn't it? Next. 69. The biker took dash U-turn at the traffic post. 69. C. A is right answer. 70. Pick out the error part of the sentence. It is difficult to explain why did Subha Bose resign from the National Congress. 70. Answer. C. Next passage. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions number 71 to number 75 that follows using the correct alternative given. Once at noon in a forest, a young lion and a young calf were thirsty. Both the thirsty animals arrived at their usual water hole at the same time. They immediately began to argue about who should satisfy their thirst first. The argument heated. Each decided he would rather die than to give up the privilege of being first to quench his thirst. As they stubbornly confronted each other, their emotions turned to rage. Their cruel attacks on each other were suddenly interrupted. They both looked up. Circling overhead was a flock of vultures, waiting for the lasher to fall. Quickly the two beasts turned and walked away. The thought of being devoured was all they needed to end their quarrel. Passage questions. 71. The lion and the calf came to the water hole. Dash. 71. Answer. C is right answer. The quenched their thirst. 72. What made them fight each other? 72. D is right answer. Each of them wanted to drink water first. Next. 73. Their fight was interrupted by dash. 73. Answer. C. A group of vultures is right answer. 74. Why did the two beasts stop their quarrel? 74. C is right answer. They thought of getting finished. 75. Why were the vultures flying overhead? 75. D. To have a hearty meal after the fight. Next poem. 76 to 80 వరకు poem ఉంటుంది. Read the poem carefully and answer the questions. The athletics had come from all over the country to run for the gold, for the silver and bronze. Many weeks and months of training, all coming down to these games. The spectators gathered around the whole field to cheer on all the young women and men. The final event of the day was approaching. Excitement grew high to begin. The blocks were lined up for those who would use them. The 100-yard dash and the race to be run. These were 9 resolved athletics in back of the starting line, poised for the sound of the gun. The signal was given. The pistol exploded, and so did the runners all charging ahead. But the smallest among them, he stumbled and staggered and fell to the asphalt instead. Poem question. The poem narrates dash level athletic competition. 76. C. National competition. 77. It was a dash race, 100-yard race. 78. How many athletics did participate? 78. A. 9 athletics participated. 79. The expression the gold, the silver and bronze stands for. 79. C. Medals. 80. Which of the following happened last before the game started? 80. Answer B. The pistol exploded is right answer. 81. The objective of dash is to listen and write. Answer D. Silent reading is right answer. 82. Evolution indicates learners learning and progress in dash. 82. A. Curricular subjects is right answer. 83. Students read a small text about how to make tea and they draw a flowchart using the information of the text This activity tests the learner skills in 83. C. Grammar is right answer. Next 84. Grammar should be taught through. Answer D. Phrases and sentences is right answer. Next 85. Activity. Find a single prefix for the given letters to make meaningful words. Dash, concern and convert and confer and condense and convict and concede. The activity in the above box can be practiced for developing skills in dash. 85. Answer C. Word order. 86. Studying English as a second language will help us. Answer B. To read Shakespeare and other poets. Next 87. Aesthetic sense is developed through dash. 87. D is right answer. Composition is right answer. 88. The word break is pronounced as. Answer A. Break is right answer. 89. Collection and organization of ideas, sequencing, cohesion and use of vocabulary are subskills of 89. A is right answer. There was a monkey from Tiger who rode on a tiger. The word underlined in the first line can be taught through. Answer A. Gesture and action is right answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share and comment.